Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping in Wix. Whether you're launching your first online store or refining your existing setup, configuring your shipping options correctly ensures your customers know exactly what they'll pay for delivery. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Settings. This is your central hub for controlling all the important configurations of your Wix site, including how you handle shipping for your store. After clicking on Settings, scroll down through the menu until you find the section labeled Shipping, Delivery and Fulfillment. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how products get from you to your customers, whether that's through traditional shipping, local delivery, or in-store pickup. You'll now be directed to the Shipping, Delivery and Fulfillment Setup page. This is where all the magic happens. From here, setting up your shipping costs is straightforward. Simply click on Add Another Rate. This button allows you to create different shipping options that will be available to your customers during checkout. An Add a Rate window will appear on your screen. From here, you'll need to select which type of shipping you wish to set up. You'll see options for pickup, local delivery, or shipping calculations. Each option serves different business models and customer preferences. For this tutorial, we'll use the shipping calculations option, so click on it. This is the most common choice for businesses that ship products directly to customers. Now from the shipping rate section, click on the calculation drop-down menu. You'll see several options here, including free shipping, flat rate, rate by weight, rate by price, and rate by quantity. Keep in mind that you can set up all of these options and use them depending on your merchandise and shipping agreements. For this example, choose flat rate. This is a popular choice because it keeps things simple for both you and your customers. Next, you'll need to enter the name of this shipping rate that will appear at checkout. Make it clear and descriptive so customers know exactly what they're selecting. Optionally, you can add an estimate for delivery time, which helps set customer expectations. Then enter a price in the rate at checkout field. Remember, this is a fixed rate, meaning customers will pay this amount no matter what the size or quantity of the products they order. This simplicity can be a great advantage for certain types of businesses. You also have the option to toggle on offer free shipping when customers purchase a certain amount. If you activate this, you can add a minimum order value that cancels this shipping fee once reached. This is a fantastic way to encourage larger orders. Alternatively, you can use the charge this rate for each item separately option if you want the shipping cost to multiply based on the number of items in the cart. Once you've configured everything according to your business needs, click on Add. This will save your new shipping rate and make it available to customers during the checkout process. Give it a moment to save and you'll see your new shipping option appear in your shipping settings list. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a shipping rate in Wix that will help streamline your sales process and provide clarity to your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.